Hello, and welcome to another eBit video. In this overview, we will show you how to set up a new user in Connection Admin. Today's eBit video is intended for Connection administrators only. Those Connection users viewing this who are not in that role will not have access to the functionality demonstrated. So let's get started. Once logged into Connection Admin, from the main menu, please select Customer Maintenance. This is where your current list of customers are stored and any edits can be done. For this video, we will choose Add New. From the drop-down box, if you know the type of customer you are adding, you may select it. Otherwise, the default can be normal. Select Next Step and fill in the information that's highlighted in red. So we'll start with customer name. For this instance, we'll just call it Connection eBit. We will give it a connection ID number. In many cases, this is the customer account number out of your warehouse management system. Next, we will assign it a contact name. If you want to type the customer's address, email information, or phone information, you can do so. It is not required. The zip code of where the shop is located. That is the end of the required information. If you want to tag the customer, if you know what type you're setting up, you can do so here. We will just choose Independent Service Center and hit Next Step. This next screen shows all of your available branches that you can assign the customer to. In this instance, we will only choose one and give it a sequence of 1. If you have multiple branches you'd like your customer to have inventory availability from, you simply go down the list, select it, and give it a sequence number. We hit Next Step. We'll choose the default branch where we want the majority of their orders defaulted and delivered from. In this case, there's only one option since we gave it just Auto 1. And if you read through this list, these are attributes that you can turn on for the customer to show various things within Connection. Nothing else is required here, so we will choose Next Step. And now we must give it a username and password. In this case, we'll just call it the account number and the contact as the username. And then any password is fine. Hit Next Step. This is the final review before you set up the customer. So review the list. Choose Confirm Add Customer. You can turn on certain catalogs here. Here we will allow them to view the market and the parts and accessories catalog. And we will hit Submit. Our customer is now in the database, and this is where any edits can be done in the future. To view the customer we just set up, we can return to the customer list. Type in our customer information, abbreviated, so we had the word eBit in it. Hit search, and there is our customer name with their account ID. And if you select the blue arrow, you can log into their maintenance screen. I hope this information has been helpful, and stay tuned for future eBit videos that will help you navigate through the many features of Connection Admin. Thank you.